Okay, on Spring Music tagline, the Game Over concert with rapper Mantek and Don D Gazali passing through. Okay, the current support the Game Over concert. Yeah. How do you feel to be part of this program? Your comments on the general show assessment, man.
Okay, yeah, I feel great.
Okay.
You know, it's great to be here.
Okay.
You know, Maccasio is doing well. And as you can see, the people are there.
Okay.
It's a successful show.
Okay.
So I'm happy and blessed to be part of it.
Okay.
Yes.
So, like, I'm will my flops, like, and the one about adjustment, and maybe and your improvement, then maybe shall one of a non work out, but to a non bay, I can, and young worker, and no man, yasampa.
Well, yeah, you know, it's okay.
Okay.
As usual.
Okay.
I'm here always, and then things are going well.
Okay. All right. So what should we expect from you and the team? Anto promise it like a concert or an album or something big.
Yeah. Well, my album is on the way.
Okay.
Dream album.
Okay.
Don't D Dream album is on the way. New year.
Okay.
And we are also hoping to be here very soon.
Okay.
So we just need the support. The way they are just supporting, they should keep supporting northern artists, especially those who are doing well. Yes.
Okay. All right. So we are grateful to have you on our show.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.